wanna go whitewater rafting? Alright, let's go get it done.
Last week, we claimed the sky, but the river always calls you closer. It demands a different kind of courage. Today, we trade in the peaceful flight for a white-knuckle fight. We're back with the experts at Nantahala Outdoor Center, but this time, we're not flying over the water, we're diving into it. Hold on tight, this is the rush you came for. Join us as we paddle into the heart of the Nantahala.
You guys are gonna team up, you're gonna be with Bug. Woo! What's up?
What it do?
How you doing, guys?
All right. Pick it on up.
Perfect. Y'all paid a lot of money to be happy and go on a raft. Let me make y'all happy and go on a raft, all right? I mean, that's fair. Everybody here understands that we're gonna have a good time going down the river, and that if you need anything, you should let me know. Yeah. Ready to go. And let me get 2 forward. This right here is called Beater's Bend. It's that first little entry rapid or entrance exam. 1 forward. Woo! Y'all look up at the mountain in front of us, you're gonna see 2 houses all the way up on that ridge line. It's 12.3 acres owned and operated by Miss Dolly Parton. So today we're going to go through Class II and Class III rapids, both of the bunch. Those are super fun, super great. If you're worried about any of those, let me know. Our first one is going to be Patton's Run. That's a Class II rapid. And let me get 1 forward. Perfect. Let's go get it done. Let me get 1 forward. 1 forward. There it comes. Make sure those feet are locked in. Those hands stay on the T-grip. And that we are ready to shoot, look, and boogie on out throughout here. Woo! And away we roll. Forward. How we like that, guys? We can do more of that, right? Woo! Hey, let me get 3 forward. Woo! Oh, yeah. Good stuff, guys. Let me get a 2 forward. My left side was getting a wake up call too.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah. Yeah, let me get 3 forward. Alrighty, that's our 3 sections Patton's Run right there. How we like it? Good. Let me get 3 forward. 2 forward. Woo! 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 Yeah. Alrighty, and this is Bougieville coming up soon. These houses go anywhere from $2.3 to $5.6 million, and the plots of land being $300,000 a quarter an acre. And when we get 2 forward. Oh yeah. Alrighty guys, lean in. And in 3, 2, 1. Way we roll. Oh yeah.
That's why we had the helmet.
Yeah, that's the helmet. And 2 forward. And let me get 1 forward. Then lean in. Up on up. you like them apples, guys? Still liking them rock spins? Okay. This gun called Thread the Needle. I want you to make sure those feet are locked in, those hands down, those feet grips, and we're tentative to those paddle strokes. We're going to be squeezing a 5.5 foot raft through about 7 feet of water between two jagged rocks. Let me get 2 forward. Arm one through it, baby. A little scenic part of our tour. So nice how clear it is. You look all the way down the bottom. Hot. Yeah. Yeah, it's a hot. One forward. Woo! And 2 more forward. Woo! 1 forward. Oh yeah. So remember, this one's root canal. The story is a raft guy who will stay unnamed and unknown hit this tree right here that you're thinking we're about to smash, and he got what we call our summer teeth, which means some are in his boat, some are in his mouth, and some are in the tree. Oh, get ready to lean in. We might play bumper boats. Lean in, guys. Woo! Dip on the right side, hop on up. Let me get 1 back. Forward, 2, up. Now we're in the whirlpool. Let me get all forward. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. And away we roll. Take a break. We get 3 forward. Alrighty guys, hit the deck. Get on down, put those butts to the floor. Get ready, we're about to do that big old rock spin. 3, 2, 1. And hop on up. Let me get 3 forward. So this is the Great Smoky Mountain Expressway. It takes you all the way from Bryson City, brings you up to Boucherville, turns around and comes back. And 2 more forward. Lean in. Push in! Woo-hoo! Come on up. And 1 forward. Perfect. Just perfect. Keep going, all forward, keep going. And take a break. And let me get 2 forward. We get 3 forward. This is Surfer's Wave. If you come out here in a kayak, you can surf it like we were surfing in the raft. And 2 forward. Let me get 2 forward. All right, let's go get it done. I'm gonna get a paddle high five, guys. Bring it up in the air. Y'all did great.
Thank you all for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you enjoy this type of content. Hit that bell notification to get a reminder of future videos. A special thanks to our channel members. If you'd like to further support the channel, become a member and get an awesome little dolphin beside your name to show off your support.